spicy coriander and chicken wontons. Hello everyone, this is Chef Siddharth and I welcome you to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Today I am going to prepare spicy coriander and chicken wontons. So for that we will require wonton wrappers, boneless chicken cut into small pieces, oil, fresh coriander, soya sauce, green chilli sauce, salt, chopped green chillies, chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Now let's start preparing the mixture. I have taken chicken in a bowl. Add some soya sauce, some salt, some green chilli sauce, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped green chillies. Now give it a mix. Now I'll chop some fresh coriander. I'll put this fresh coriander into the chicken. Now let's prepare the wontons. So for that I have wonton wrappers with me. I'll stuff the mixture. Now apply some water and I'll seal the edges. In this manner I'll prepare the wontons. So it's time to fry them. This in goes directly into medium hot oil. Now we'll fry these wontons till they turn golden brown. Now this is the perfect color that we need. We'll remove them on an absorbent paper. Now I'll plate them. I'll cut one wonton for you. The moment we cut this wonton, amazing flavors. The chicken is cooked properly. This is what we need. So here it is, our spicy coriander and chicken wontons are ready. A very quick and easy recipe. You can serve this along with sweet chili sauce or light soya sauce. So do try it and let me know how you like it.